video, we are going to look at how to use value function, value to text function within VLOOKUP. I have two tables here, one with the employee IDs starting from 10001 to 1010, and the same is also available on the table 2. The first table is in the text format, and the second table is in the general format. Let's use a normal VLOOKUP to see the results. VLOOKUP, select the employee ID. I'm going to select the data here, comma 1, 0. I have just one column in there. As you see, I am getting a #NA error because this is a text format and this is a general format. Now we could get this sorted or corrected. I can select the entire data, go to data and text to columns, choose next and finish. Now the VLOOKUP is working perfectly fine. Control Z. We are not going to do this. We are going to use the value function and value to text function, assuming this table is available in a shared location where the employee IDs are updated regularly or in a certain period. We understand that the data is extracted from our server or from an external application, so the employee ID will always be in a text format. Let's start with the value function. Value and select the employee ID. You will see the values have appeared now. Let's press F2. Let's introduce the VLOOKUP function. Before the value function, just type VLOOKUP, and then after the value function, comma, table of array, comma, 1, 0. Let me close the bracket. When I hit enter, you will see the VLOOKUP has returned the value since the employee ID on table 1 is matching with the employee ID on the table 2. Let's do the same thing here. Now we are not going to use the value function because value function will help to convert a text into a value. Now in this scenario, we would want a value to be converted into a text. Let's type in the VLOOKUP function and then type value to text, choose the employee ID, comma, and there are two options, 0 and 1. For our example, I'm going to use the 0, concise, close, comma, choose the table of array, comma 1, 0, close the bracket. Now if you see, this data is also populated even though this is in a text format and this employee ID is in a numerical format. This method will help us when the file in the shared drive is updated frequently and there is no write access where we cannot go and change the text format into a number format or a number format into a text format. On those scenarios, this function will help us. I trust this video is helpful to you.